January 22nd, 2025. This one here I got a call from a lady. She's got a, sounds like she's got a power venter on the outside of the house that's making a lot of noise. Gas boiler. 20-year-old house. The power venter's making all kinds of rattling noises, so I might be able to just change the motor assembly, or I might have to put a whole other power venter in there. I'm not sure. I do have power venters at my shop. The stainless one, and I got the old style field power venter. I got both styles. I do have just, you know, replacement motor squirrel cage fan assemblies in the truck too, I think. I'd rather just change the motor assembly if I can. It's easier than the whole power venter. It's flipping cold out. My feet are frozen here. But anyway, we're going to go over there and see if we can help out this lady, this damsel in distress. It's like 9 degrees out. Flipping cold. Won't sound bad. It just might need a little oil. Maybe. Try oiling it. It's gonna boil. Sometimes get away with a little bit of oil. A little lube will do you, mama. A little lube will do you. Unless there's something else inside. I'm hoping that's all it is. Crazy noises. Yeah, we'll shut it off and then we'll turn it back on, unless there's something else. What kind of noise? You hearing a scraping noise?
Squeal.
A squeal?
I can,
yeah, let's shut them off and then we'll turn it back on. A squeal.
It's pretty bad.
Unless it's something else. got zone valves here. I don't think that would be squealing.
It's definitely coming from here because I took a...
Definitely coming from near the squeal, yeah.
Yeah, because I took a paper towel thing and I bopped it and it shut off, but as soon as it started again, it came back on, so.
All right, well, I did oil it, so...
I took a video yesterday, but I don't have it anymore. Of course. Right before you got here, it kicked on and squealing like crazy.
It could be just the bearings, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I did oil them.
Shut it down, so you're just gonna wait for it to recycle, I guess. I had called recently, I'm sure you don't remember, you do with a lot of people, but the fan was on, and it was on for more than a whole day. It just kept running.
Oh yeah,
running,
you told me about
yeah,
that.
and then all of a sudden it shut off, and I'm like, okay.
Yeah, there was a control up there. It might have been. All right, let's turn it. But let's turn it back on.
Okay.
Yeah, I changed the second floor zone head last time I was here. Just gonna turn it on. She says it's squealing before. I mean, I could put a whole nother setup in there if I needed it, but it might just be oil.
Well, our neighbors are like gonna hate us.
If it squeals now, we're gonna have to change the motor assembly. Hopefully, that's all I gotta do.
Okay. What does a new thing of that cost?
The motor assembly is $350.
Okay.
That's if I could unbolt that one and bolt the motor assembly in. If you're going to change the whole power venter, you're talking a lot more.
Okay.
Okay, so that started up pretty good there, right?
Yep. It hasn't.
I did oil it good.
Okay.
So you want to wait. If it starts squealing, then we got to change it.
Okay.
But if I got to change the whole power venter, you're probably looking at about $1,200.
Okay.
But if I could just change the motor assembly,
Yep.
$350 is the part.
Yeah. Yeah.
Plus my labor.
Okay.
So, but I did oil it.
Yep.
There's bearings in there. They're supposed to be oiled.
Okay.
So it might have just been dry.
Yeah,
you want to let that go?
We haven't done it.
Never.
Never.
Okay.
And we've lived here since for almost 8 years now.
So let's give it. You know, they were only good for so long. It's only a little tiny motor in there.
Yeah.
But I did oil. I gave it a good oil job.
Okay.
If it happens again,
I'll just call you.
I'll get the motor assembly. Hopefully I could just unbolt that. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. Sometimes they're all corroded in there.
Yeah.
Sometimes vibration gets a bit much, but that's what you're at. That's where you're at.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't a vibration. It was a squeal.
It wasn't a vibration?
No, it was a squeal that we were hearing.
Well, that
Yeah.
was probably the bearings in there.
Yeah.
But seeing I oiled them, you might get some more time out of it.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll oil the power venter motor outside. We'll let that go for now and see. If it happens again, we got to go into it deeper, okay?
Yep.